Vegetables parrots can eat. Carrots, rich in various vitamins, helps boost the immune system of small parrots and makes their feathers more vibrant during molting. Rapeseed greens and lettuce. These two vegetables look similar. Both are foods loved by parrots. Broccoli contains abundant vitamin C, particularly suitable for parrots during molting. Core, its vitamins and trace elements, can replenish the energy needed by small parrots. Cooked corn is easier to digest. Peppers, known as the king of nutrients among vegetables, rich in various antioxidants, is a part of a small parrot's daily diet that is indispensable.